I've always liked working with kids for a while. I started babysitting when I was 12 and I took a babysitting class, and I feel like it makes my job more fun because I get to come here and just hang out with kids instead of it doesn't feel like a real job where I'm working because I'm having fun and making kids smile. Uh-oh, there's too many of them! Having the opportunity to have a youth apprenticeship is super cool because I, as a high school student, have the opportunity to continue my learning outside of just high school, and I'm able to gain knowledge about things that I may not be able to otherwise.
You try!
And then I also get to gain credits and make money at the same time. So it's a pretty cool opportunity that not every high school student probably has access to, and so for that I'm fortunate. The really great part of an apprenticeship is how I can, like I said, earn credits while I'm getting experience and learning about a job so that I can kind of narrow down, maybe is this something I want to do in my future?
I think that there's no other way to know if you're going to love a job unless you step into the shoes of the people that are doing the jobs. So for someone like Bailey, she can get in here and make sure this is really what she wants to do before she goes to school and maybe changes her major after a while.
Did you go to school today? You did? Did you have a good time at school?
I think it's a really great opportunity for any kids that are interested in working with children.
Keep building. I'm very thankful for this opportunity that Holmen High School has provided me.